celebrations. It is developers environment where developers can sit, develop the application as per the business or client's environment. I can say it is purely PaaS environment here. PaaS. Actually, maybe a couple of days back, we discussed about what do you call types of services given by vendor company over the cloud. We have three types of services: IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Yes or no? IaaS stands for infrastructure as a service. PaaS stands for platform as a service. SaaS stands for software as a service. Platform as a service means where developers can sit and develop the application as per the client's requirement. So that particular environment, we can call it as that particular service, we can call it as platform as a service. So Sandbox environment is a completely PaaS environment where developers can sit and develop the application as per the client's or business requirement. Actually, there are so many types of sandboxes. I broadly divided into sandboxes three types: configuration sandbox, developer sandbox, and we have something like what? Full copy sandbox. Okay, guys. What is configuration sandbox here? Configuration sandbox means it is purely GUI environment. So here, developers no need to write any program. Clear of you. It's completely a drag and drop, point and click only. So that kind of environment, we can call it as what? Configuration sandbox. 40% of application we can develop through UI. Hope you understand this point. 40% of application you can develop through what? UI. Point clear, everyone? And that is called what? Configuration sandbox. And coming to developer sandbox, developer sandbox is purely based on programming. 60% of application we can develop through what? Coding. 60% of application we can develop through coding. So 40% through GUI, 60% through coding. So after that, we will complete the entire application. The complete entire application, one of the copy we placed in where? Full copy sandbox. So full copy sandbox, it contains replica. Replica means what? Duplicate copy of what? Original application, whatever you developed. One of the copy they placed in where? Full copy sandbox. But why they placed duplicate copy of original application in full copy sandbox is meant for testing purpose. Because after completion of development, that application we need to test. What is the meaning of testing? What is the meaning of testing? Testing is a process. Testing is a process. Okay. Whether the application, whatever we develop, is really meeting the client's expectations or not, or client requirements or not. All of you understand that we need to. This point clear? What is the meaning of testing? Testing is a process whether the application is really meeting the client's expectation or requirement or not. Clear all of you? That is the meaning of what? Testing. Yes or no, Mama Maheshwara?
Yes, sir.
Right, Prakash, everyone in the classroom, please involve in the class, guys.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Involve in the class. Everyone in the classroom. Everyone in the classroom. Your festival is not yet started. Your festival will start from 11 o'clock onwards. Understand all of you?
Sir.
Yes.
Your festival is started from 11 o'clock onwards. Clear?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Be careful and try to understand what I am speaking. Please concentrate, everyone. Uma Maheshwara, please mute. Samidhi Kumar, please mute everyone. Good. Please concentrate, all of you. Like that, we have 3 types of sandboxes. What is this? Configuration sandbox, developer sandbox, and full copy sandbox. Clear, all of you? So after completion of testing, we need to what? We need to deploy the application. We need to what? Deploy the, what is this? What is the meaning of deployment? Deployment means move the application from sandbox environment to production environment. That process can be called as what? A deployment. Deployment means move the application from sandbox environment to production environment. So production environment is completely client's environment. Here, client and the client's employees sitting and use the. So I can say it is purely SaaS environment. As I said, production environment completely PaaS, whereas, sorry, sandbox environment completely PaaS, whereas production environment completely SaaS. Clear, all of you? So production environment is completely client's environment where client and client employees are sitting and use a application. This is a usage area. It is purely SaaS environment, guys. Clear? But here I'm going to ask a simple question. Shall I ask the question, please? Shall I ask the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And yeah, in the meanwhile, I got a message from DURGASOFT here. 1 minute, please wait, all of you. They sent the details of what do you call
Payment details.
Payment details and all. I will copy and paste in the copy. Everybody, please look at the screen. And if anybody have any requirement regarding the payment information and all, please or take a pic from your mobile. This is the account number. This is the IFSC code. This is a branch. And this is the Google Pay number. 9297972727. Understood, everyone here? Okay. So please take the details. Anybody wants to pay the fee, you can pay through Google Pay or can pay through net banking or mobile banking application. So these are the IFSC code and all. Is everyone copied?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, shall I go down?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And if anybody already paid, just ignore this. Okay. And here I'm going to ask a question here. What's my question is? Production environment is a place where client and client employees are sitting and use application. It is purely SaaS environment. That is okay. But what is my question is the end user, is client and client employees, are they know about Salesforce? Are they know how to develop how to use the application and all? No.
No.
Obviously no. Yes or no? Because they are not technical persons. They don't know how to use the application and all. Say yes or no. Speak out. That is why to guide them, to monitor the application, how it is working and all, there is another person who is always sitting at the client's place. That person, we can call him as super user. Or we can call him as what? System administrator. Point clear, everyone? Who is he? Yes. System administrator or super user who is always sitting at the production place or client place, and who is going to monitor the entire team of the client. Now I am going to write or discuss about roles and responsibilities of system administrator in real-time environment. Understand, all of you? Listen to the class carefully and try to understand. If anybody do not understand any point, please interrupt me and ask the questions.
Sir, yesterday you told that it is $25 per.
That is all essential editions and all. Yeah, editions.
Yeah. So that one use per user. So that will be a super user or it will be a normal user?
No, normal users. The employees who are working are using the application.
Okay. So if I create
not system administrator, number of employees, users in the company.
If I create another user, so it will take another $25.
Obviously. Understand? Yeah. The roles and responsibilities of system administrator here. Okay. The first one is, he is the person creating the users in the company. And also he is a person creating the roles and also profiles. Don't ask any questions, what is role and what is profile. Down the line, we will discuss everything. What is user, what is role, and what is profile also. Okay. So he is a person creating the users or user accounts, I can say. And he is a person creating the roles. And also he is a person creating the profiles. Next, he is a person granting the privileges. Privileges means permissions.
Read, write, and execute.
Yes, obviously. But permissions, I can say. Granting the privileges to the users. And also revoke. Revoke means taking back. Revoke the privileges of the users. And also he is a person doing data management operations. Data management operations means sometimes we need to import the data from external systems to Salesforce. And also sometimes we need to export the data from Salesforce, SF. SF stands for Salesforce, to external systems. So these important export operations are managed by system administrator with the help of two tools, which is given by Salesforce. Those tools can be called as something like data import wizard. And the second one, data loader. Using these two tools, system administrator is going to perform import and export operations. So data import wizard and data loader. Next one. Apart from data management operations, system administrator also performs data automation techniques and also data approvals. Data automations and approvals. Automation means automatically perform some operations without user interaction. For your better understanding, I'm giving a small example about this. Suppose I withdraw some amount from ATM counter. Immediately, will I receive the SMS or not on my mobile?
Yes, sir.
Like that, if somebody deposits some amount into my account, immediately I will receive the SMS or not? Like that, either withdraw or deposit, whatever operation we are performing, Immediately we are receiving the SMS on my mobile. How it is possible? Is there any person in the bank it is going to send the SMS to me personally or manually? So practically it is not possible. Yes or no? So whenever I perform any operation, automatically I will receive some SMS on my mobile. These are all called what? Automations. Automations means automatically performs operations without user interaction or intervention. That kind of operations also system administrator can perform with the help of some two tools, which is given by again Salesforce. Tool's name is called workflows. And we have something like what? Process builder. What is that? Workflows and process builder. Workflows and process builder. By using these two tools, we can perform what? Data automations and improvements. Hear this point. Hello. Someone need to mute, guys. Excuse me. Pavan Kumar. Thank you. Alka, understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Next one. Data automations and approvals. Workflows and process builder. And we have another kind of tool that is called approval process. Approval process. But using this tool, we can perform what? What is this? What is approval? What is approval process? Everything down the line we will discuss. Okay. So no need to worry about this. Everything I will be taking care of. I will explain. Very elaborately. Okay. Next one. After data automations and approvals, the system administrator is going to perform another thing, data analysis. Data analysis. That is what? We have something like, I heard the name called BA.
Business analyst.
BI, business intelligence. That is what? Reports. And we have something like what? Dashboard. Okay. That is all about data analysis. Reports and dashboard. The most important thing is what? Data security. Security aspect is the most essential part of system administrator job in real time. Data security. So system administrator is going to provide the security in different levels. That is org level security, like app level security, tab level security, object level security, we have field level security, like that record level security. Under record level security, we have something like OWDs. OWD stands for organization wide defaults. And we have something like, what do you call?
Sharing rules.
No. Role hierarchies. We have to follow some order. Role hierarchies. Then sharing rules. And manual sharing. Apart from that, permission sets, flows, public groups. So these are the concepts that we are going to cover in data security. All of you understand, guys? Very huge topic, data security. So these are the roles and responsibilities of system administrator in real-time scenarios. All of you understand? Uma Maheshwar Rao, Alka, and the rest of all the people in the class. Prakash?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So everything I'm going to explain in very detail, guys.
Sir, do we get the notes also?
Yeah, why not? I will provide the notes also.
Okay, sir.
That's what I'm saying. Every day, whatever sessions as of now we completed, running notes, materials, everything I will provide from the day one onwards. Once you complete your formalities. That is the reason. Actually, once you complete your formalities, I will create a separate group for your batch. WhatsApp group. And every day I will send the writing notes, materials, recordings, everything, whatever you want. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes.
Good. So these are all about what? Roles and responsibilities of system administrator. And next important point, that is MVC architecture. What is MVC? What is MVC stands for, first of all?
Model view.
Model view control.
Yeah. Model
view control.
View
Controller.
and controller. That is a full form of what? MVC. Actually, it's a 3-tier architecture. It's a 3-tier architecture. The first layer can be called as view layer. The second layer can be called as controller. The third layer can be called as model. Generally, end user always sitting
View level.
at the view level only. So through this view, end user is going to perform the operations. End user majorly performing 4 operations. These 4 operations in short way, I can call it as CRUD operations. What is this?
CRUD
operations, or sometimes you can call it as CRD operations. CRD, halka, dahi. Understand? Clear all of you? CRD or curd? Curd means in Hindi dahi. Understand all of you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
CRD
Yes, sir.
operations are CRD operations. Okay. CRD means what? C stands for create, R stands for read, U stands for update, and D stands for what? Delete. So these are the basic operations performed by end user through what? Through view. What is view here? A view is nothing but user interface. What is this? UI. US stands for user interface. That is front-end screen, front-end form and all. Clear all of you? The end user always performing the operations through view. Suppose end user is going to enter the record. Create means set. Enter the record into the model. Enter the data into the model. So through view what? Through view. This data flows and goes to where? Controller. So controller takes the data from the end user via view. Understand all of you? Controller takes the data from the end user via view. Clear? Controller takes the data from the end user via view or through view. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
That controller sent to the data into where? Model. Point clear, everyone? And finally, data will store in where? Finally, data store in
Model.
That is why model can be called as database. What is this? Layman point
Database.
model can be called as database. Clear all of you? And also end user is going to fetch the data. Reading means what? Fetching. So data stored in where? Model. And that data coming from model and goes to where? Controller. Controller takes the data from the model and give it back to whom here? End user on the view. Clear all of you? This is
So,
how.
sir, can we say that controller act as a bridge between view and model?
Obviously, without controller, user cannot perform any kind of operations on model. So control is the heart of the MVC, heart of the application. That is why control is most important. Clear, everyone? The complete business logic is lies in where? In the controller part only. Clear all of you? So it's a bidirectional operator, guys. Data will flow from view to controller and controller to model. And also data will coming from where? Model to controller and controller to view. This is how data will flow towards front side and toward back side also. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's a 3-tier architecture, guys. First one is called here, view. The middle one is called controller. And the last and final one can be called as model. View can be called as something like a presentation layer. What is this?
Presentation.
Presentation layer.
Presentation layer. It's a 3-tier architecture. I can say 3 layers. The first layer can be called as presentation layer. The middle layer can be called as business logic layer. What is this? Business logic layer. And a model can be called as something like what? Database layer. Point clear, all of you. There are three layers here: presentation layer, business logic layer, and database layer. Maybe I can say one important point at this particular point of time. I can say one important point at this particular point of time. Carefully and try to understand here. MVC architecture, it is not only related to Salesforce. MVC pattern, MVC architecture is not related to only Salesforce. Almost all every technology supports what? MVC architecture. Every technology, take Java, you take .NET, you take Python, you take any technology, almost every technology follows what? MVC architecture. It's a common phenomena, I can say. It's a common phenomena. It's almost every technology follows the same architecture. For your better understanding, I'm comparing this MVC model. I'm comparing with MVC model, or I'm going to correlate with MVC model with your Gmail application. Which application? Speak out.
Gmail application.
Email application.
So that you can clearly understand what is MVC means. Once again, I'm repeating, guys. Listen carefully, all of you. Your MVC model, I'm going to correlate. I'm going to compare with what? A Gmail application, so that you can clearly understand what does MVC exactly means. So shall I compare? Shall I compare? Yes or no? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Email application,
Sir,
we
yes,
have
sir.
something like inbox is there. We have inbox.
Yes,
Email, we
Yes,
have
sir.
inbox. Yes. What
Yes.
inbox contains? What inbox
Messages,
contains?
mails,
email.
Sales.
All of your mails. Yes or no?
all our mails, yes.
All of your
Mails.
mails. Current mails. And
Previous
also what?
mails. History mails also. Past.
And past mails also. Yes or no? Our historical
Yes, sir.
mail. Everything is available. Can I say that your inbox is nothing but your database or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Because
sir.
it contains all of your mails. So here I can call model as a database or not.
Yes, sir.
That is why I am comparing inbox as what? Your
Database.
Yes, sir.
model. Is this point clear? Your inbox in the Gmail application, I'm going to compare with what model? Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose,
Yes, sir.
suppose Alka is my friend. Alka sent a mail to me. Sent a mail to me. Okay, Alka. This
Yes, sir.
mail contains 10 pages document. What is it? It's a 10 pages document she sent. Clear, all of you?
Yes.
So I open Alka's mail. I open the 10 pages document here. Tell me, all the 10 pages document, can I see at a time the complete content?
No, sir. One by
Not
one.
possible. One by one only I can see. Suppose I open the document. I am open the first page. I open what? First page. So the first page contains some content. I read the content. After completion of the first page, I need to go to the second page or not?
Yes, sir.
If I want to go to second page, what I have to do? I need to click on scroll down button. Yes or no?
Yes.
Clear, all of you? So that I can move into what? Second page. After completion of second page content, I can move to third page. I click on what? Scroll down button. Clear, all of you? If I want to go up, what I have to do? I need to click on scroll up button. Speak out. If you want
Yes,
to go
sir.
to next mail, click on next.
Yes,
If you
scroll
want to go to the previous mail, I have to click on previous. Tell me, these all the buttons can be called as controllers of my page.
Controller.
Speak out, all of you.
Yes, sir.
All of my controllers of my page. Accepted, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Scroll
sir.
down, scroll up, next, previous, these are all what? Controllers. Clear? The content what I'm seeing right now, the content what I'm seeing right now, that is my what? Speak out. That is my view.
View.
Whatever content
View.
I'm seeing just now, that is my view.
View.
So, yeah. So content what I'm seeing right now, that is my view. Okay. My inbox is my modal. My buttons like scroll down, scroll up, next, previous, these are all of my controllers on a page. Now, all of you understand the comparison of MVC with Gmail application or not?
Yes, sir.
Everyone in the class. Alka, understand? Mama Ishwar Rao?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everyone in the class too?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's
Immediate.
clear. It's clear.
Good, good. Thank you. So it's all about MVC architecture. But with respect to Salesforce, what model contains, what controller contains, and what view contains?
Model contains, sir, objects.
Yeah, that I'm going to discuss. Actually, model contains two parts. With respect to Salesforce, model contains how many parts? Two parts. First part of model is schema part. What is this? Schema part. The second part of the model is instance part. The first one, schema part, contains what here? Schema part contains your apps, your tabs, your REST objects, your fields, relationships, and validation rules, field dependencies. We have something like page layouts, and also what? Record. What is this? All the content comes under what? Schema part. What is that? Apps, tabs, S objects, field, relationships, validation rules, field dependencies, page layouts, and record types. Clear, all of you? And coming to instance part. Instance part contains, we have something like data and also what? Records. So a combination of schema and instance, both are included in where? Model. So your learning, your learning journey is going to start. Your learning journey is going to start creating the model onwards. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Creating the model
Yes,
onwards,
sir.
you're going to start.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So tomorrow onwards, I'm going to start with what? How to create model. Means how to create app, how to create tab, how to create S objects. These are the concepts I'm going to discuss in tomorrow's session. Clear? So after model, coming to second one, the middle layer is what? Controller. So this is a very crucial part because it contains the complete business. What is this? Logic. So in controller part, we will discuss about topic because it's completely related to programming language. That is Apex language people are going to use. Apex is a programming language which is given by Salesforce company. And in that, we will discuss about the first concept is oops concept. Then after, we have something like exception handling. And also we will discuss about assertions, annotations. After annotations, we will discuss about the database concepts. And also we will discuss about something like collections. Just like in Java, list, set, and map. People who know about Java, they can understand easily this one. Collections topic. And also after collections, we will discuss it. We will enter into view topic. In this view, we will discuss about what? One of the markup language name is called Visual Force. It is just like HTML language only. For developing the front-end page, for developing the user interface. Okay. So the language, what we are going to use in Salesforce is Visual Force. After completion of Visual Force of 1 week or 10 days of Visual Force, then we will enter into one of the biggest topic name is called controllers. We have 6 types of controllers which is given by Salesforce. That is called standard controller, custom controller. We have something like standard list controller, custom list controller, and extension controller. Standard set controller, and what? Extension controller. Like that, the Salesforce given types of controllers: standard, custom, standard list, custom list, standard set, and controller.
Sir, on Visual Force only using HTML or HTML, CSS, and JavaScript?
We are not using HTML here. We are using Visual Force.
Okay.
Just comparing Visual Force with HTML.
Okay.
We are not going to use HTML. We are going to use our own markup language name is called Visual Force.
Okay.
It is just like Visual Force. It's just like HTML.
Okay.
So after that, we will discuss about something like batch apex, schedule apex, interfaces. The most important topic is triggers. These are the concepts are going to cover in controller part. After triggers, we will enter into integration part. Clear all of you? What is this? Integration. Here we are going to discuss about SOAP API, REST API, and something like what? Speak out. It all comes under what? Integration part. Okay. So this is all about model.
Sir, for
This is
view, we will not see Aura or LWC.
These are classic. Okay. In Vue, instead of using Visual Force, in Lightning, we are going to use what? Aura components. Here,
So we will touch Aura, right?
Lightning Aura components. Understand?
Yeah. So we will learn Aura, right?
Yeah, Aura components, Aura only. Clear?
Yes,
So these are the concepts are going to cover in your syllabus, guys.
Sir, after completion of this, there is any project by implementing all the concepts?
Without, if you want, I'll give the project also. Because in the project, we need to implement all these concepts.
Okay.
Okay. Hello?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Point clear, all of you? 1 minute,
Yes,
guys. 1 minute, please. Please, all of you. Fine. Next, the next topic, the most important topic here. 15 pillars to develop any project in Salesforce. How many? 15 pillars, guys. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
If you want to develop any project in Salesforce, we need to follow these 15 steps or 15 pillars. The pillar number one, we need to gather the requirements. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
From whom?
From the client.
From the client. Yes or no?
Yes,
After
sir.
gathering the requirements from the client, then we need to start the project. So gather the requirements from the client. After gathering the requirements from the client, we need to create, what is this? We need to create what? A model. So we need to not create, that is another, create is not the correct word I can say.
Design.
Design the model. So in the designing the model, we will create what? Apps,
Objects.
objects, fields, and we have something like what?
Relationships.
These are all comes under designing part, designing a model. Next pillar number 3 here. In the pillar number 3, we will discuss about what? Validation rules. We have two types of validations here, standard validations. And what is this? Custom validation. Understand? After validation rules, we will discuss about page layouts. Don't ask any questions what is page layout and all. We will discuss later. That is standard layouts. And what? Again, custom layout and record type. So these are all comes under what? Pillar number 4. After pillar number 4, see guys, after pillar number 4, in pillar number 5, we need to discuss about online transactions. Pillar number 5, pillar number 6, batch transactions using batch apex. Pillar number 7, schedule transaction, schedule apex. Pillar number 8, integration transactions. That is REST and what is this? SOAP. Next, pillar number 9, triggers, performs validations, and also what? Automations. Next, pillar number 10, testing. Pillar number 11, deployment. Pillar number 12, data security, creating the users and all. Pillar number 13, data management. Using data loader and data import wizard. Pillar number 14, data automations and using workflows. Pillar number 15, data analysis, that is BI, reports, and what is this? See guys, pillar number 2, 3, 4. Pillar number 2, 3, 4, except pillar number 1. Pillar number 2, 3, 4. The configuration part. Pillar number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It comes under development part, including integration, development and integration. Pillar number 10, testing. Pillar number 11, deployment. Deployment means moving the application from sandbox to production. So pillar number 12, 13, 14, 15. Under what? What is this? Administration. So tell me, in our syllabus, how many modules we are going to cover? 6 modules.
6 modules.
One is what? Configuration. Yes or no?
Yes.
Pillar number 2, 3, 4 comes under what? Configuration. Next, second one is what?
Development.
Development. That is what?
5, 6, 7,
7, 8.
7, 8, 9.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9.
Pillar number, sorry, third point is what?
Integration.
Integration also covered. That's here. No, admin.
Integration is third.
Development plus integration both added here.
Okay, okay.
Administration.
CRM.
Administration.
That is what? Pillar number 12,
and
13,
14,
14.
15.
Completed all the pillars.
Yes, sir.
Then CRM is a separate topic. CRM is not comes under any development part. Okay.
Okay.
CRM, the last and final one is what here?
Like,
So these are the modules I'm going to cover. So your learning configuration means you are learning what? 2, 3, 4. What is 2, 3, 4 here? Pillar number 2, 3, 4. Learning configuration means you're learning how to design the model, how to create the app, how to create the tab, how to create the object, fields, relationships, how to create the validation rules, both standard and custom, how to create the page layouts, record types. It all comes under what?
configuration.
So learning configuration means learning all these topics. Everybody got the clear picture now? Learning configuration means learning all these topics, guys. And all of you.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And development and integration 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Online transactions, batch transactions, schedule, integration. Okay. And triggers. These are all what? Speak out.
Development.
Development part.
Development.
Sir,
Then after that, what? Admin part. Admin part comes under what? All 13, 14, 15 is all comes under admin part. Then after we will enter into CRM lightning. This is the way of learning the subject.
Testing also done by developers, I think so, sir.
Sometimes developers, sometimes a separate testing department maintained by company.
sir,
Yeah.
sir, configuration comes under Salesforce admin or development, sir?
It comes under actually development only. Because who will develop all these apps and tabs? Administrator or developer?
Developer.
Tell me. Who
Developer.
will create the apps? Who will create the tabs? Who will create the subjects? Who will create the fields? Who will design the model? Administrator or developer. So developer, administrator come into the picture at what time?
Where it comes to data security and data management.
After deployment, administrator come into the picture. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Before
sir.
deployment, before testing, these all comes to the development part only.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Here, after development, testing. After testing, deployment. After deployment,
Administration.
administrator come into the picture. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the correct way of learning the course, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
This is the
Sir.
correct way of learning the course.
Sir,
First
sir, for testing, there is any separate code for Salesforce development or Selenium we can use for testing?
Actually, I never went to testing side. Who is speaking?
I'm Bharat, sir.
Bharat. I never went to testing side because are you planning to go for testing side or what?
No, sir. No, sir. I want to go to development side only. Just I want
So
to.
why you're thinking about all unnecessary testing side?
Yeah.
Okay. So testing a separate department is there. You don't need to think
Sir,
about.
I think Salesforce also provide some tools for the testing.
Yeah, testing for testing purpose. Salesforce developed another tool name is called Ant. What is this? Heard the name called Ant tool?
And
Yeah. Ant is for testing deployment purpose. I hope so. I'm not completely aware of the testing side because I never went to the testing side here. So don't need to think about testing. Leave it. Okay, Bharat? Because you're planning to go for development side. Huh?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So majorly have to only 2 types of jobs, guys. Administrator job and development side job. Okay. Here all of you.
Yes, sir.
Apart from CRM, any other famous product of Salesforce, like which is very much highlighted, or which is in day-to-day life we are using?
Which product?
Yeah, any product apart from like CRM.
Means what? Which product means? Product means what?
Product like just like by using like this Salesforce coding, like you said, Apex is the programming. So what others like applications we can develop, just like mobile app or website?
See,
Yeah.
Hey guys, one important question you're asking. What is your name?
My name is Prakash.
Prakash. Using Salesforce means on force.com platform. Listen carefully, all of you. Prakash asking very important question. On force.com platform, we can develop any type of application. What is it? All types of application. It might be business application. Okay, Prakash.
Okay.
It might be CRM application we can develop, or we can develop integration application, or we can develop mobile applications. Understand? Yeah.
Oh, that is possible. Yeah.
Yeah. And also we can develop IoT applications. Also we can develop artificial intelligence. Understand? All kinds of applications we can develop, Prakash, except only two applications. Except only two applications. That is gaming applications and scientific applications. Except these two applications, we can develop all kinds of applications on force.com platform as a developer. Understand, Prakash?
Sir,
Okay, got it. Yeah.
hello.
Yeah. Who's
Sir,
this?
suppose I create one application, and if someone wants to use that, so it is necessary to open the Salesforce first, then only he will use my application, or we can convert it into .exe file like this in Salesforce.
No. Any third-party application wants to access your application or what?
Suppose I create one application.
Actually, I'm confusing you about your question. Suppose you developed an application on Salesforce. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And there is another person who is trying to access your application, which is developed on Salesforce. Or no?
Yes.
The application 2 wants to access application 1?
No, client wants to access my application.
Yeah, you're the developer, you develop the application. Okay, we can share the application to the client and client use the application.
What is my question is that, can I convert that application into .exe file?
Oh, that's one. Okay, no, you no need to convert into .exe file. We can deploy the application through URL at the client's place.
So he doesn't need to go through Salesforce process. He just type the URL.
Yeah, that is the reason system administrator is the person who is always sitting at the client place, who is going to guide him.
Yes.
We will take care of the complete application developed by developers.
Okay. So we can't take into .exe files?
No. We can directly deploy the application through URL at the client space.
Okay, sir. Okay.
We need to share the URL only.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Okay, guys, that's about what? The theoretical points regarding what? Salesforce. And now I'm going to start configuration. Before I'm going to start configuration, so first let me discuss about how to create an account in Salesforce. Very simple, guys. The way how you create the account in Gmail, in the same way we can easily create the account in Salesforce. Now I'm going to discuss how to create an account in Salesforce. Everybody please look at the screen and try to understand here. We need to type, yesterday we discussed about this one, developer.force.com. Do you remember?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Developer.linkedin.com, Instagram.com, developer.youtube.com. Like that, developer.force.com. It's a developer's environment, yes or no? So developer.force.com, I typed. Then I got this window. Top right side, we can see some button called what? Sign up. So click on sign up here. So anyway, we are using developer edition. It's a free edition for us. Here we need to enter all of your credentials, like your first name, last name, your email ID, your role in the company, your company name, your country, your postal code, your username, and everything. And one important point I need to tell at this particular point of time. See guys, this email, whatever you are going to enter into the particular text box, that should be valid email. Clear all of you? That should be what?
Valid email.
Valid email ID. Role, whether you are working in the company or not, no problem. Clear all of you? You can give any role here. So your company name you have to give. Whatever company name you are giving here, that company, whether it is existing in the market or not, that is also no problem. Okay. Country, postal code, anything is not problem, guys. But this is the only thing is important. Which one? Email address. So this email address should be what? A valid email address. So let me give what do you call first name and last name. Tell me which name you want me to give.
Sajid.
Sajid. Okay. Or otherwise I can give some training. Training. Or Durga training, whatever it is. What is the password I given? Sorry, what is the last name I given? Come on, guys. Okay. And this is my mail ID, vijayprakash2019@gmail.com. This is my personal email ID, guys. And your job role in the company: developer, architect, CTO, admin, IT manager, executive, business manager, executive. Let me select developer. Company name. What is the company name?
DURGASOFT only.
Can you give any name? No problem. Country, India. And postal code. You can give any postal code with digits. And username should be in this format. Everybody please look at the screen and try to understand. Username must be in this format. Is anybody working in the companies right now? In your batch?
Yes, sir.
What is your name?
Anwar.
No, which company you are working?
Capgemini.
Okay, what is your company email?
Anwar-Abdulgani.mania@capgemini.com.
Anwar
Hyphen Abdulgani
@capgemini.com. Huh?
No, Abdulgani.maniar@capgemini.com.
Okay, whatever it is. What is the domain name here? That is important.
Yeah.
Domain name is capgemini.com. This is called domain name, guys. What is your domain name? Capgemini.com. Tell me, suppose if Anwar is not the employee of Capgemini, can he get this email ID?
No.
Only the employees who are working in Capgemini, only those people can get what? Capgemini.com. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Speak out.
Yes, sir.
What is the format of username here? Your name @what? Companyname.com. Yes or no? Speak out, guys.
Yes, sir. Yes.
In the same format, you have to give. They give some example also. Name @your companyname.com. Okay. Let me give some name. What is this? Your training or any training, whatever it is. Durga or training @Durga.com. Point clear, all of you. What is this?
Company.
Training @Durga.com. Clear, all of you?
Yes.
Good. So this is the username given. Click on sign me up. It takes a couple of minutes time to get some SMS, not SMS, some message on the screen. What is the message you got? Almost there. Please check your email to confirm your account. So I will get some email from Salesforce company, and let me check inbox, and let me refresh. It takes some time to get the email. Please wait. Guys, in the meanwhile, I'm asking a question. Am I going fast?
No,
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir.
Should I go in the same pace, everyone?
Yes.
Anwar?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tomorrow at 10 o'clock, same time, guys. Not 9 o'clock, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Let me refresh the page once. Sorry, what happened? Is all of you had your breakfast?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
This is special today. Diwali special. Alka,
Yes, sir.
what is the Diwali special breakfast?
Poha, sir.
Huh?
Poha, poha.
Poha, poha.
Poha and
I'm
There's
expecting
some-
preparing poha.
farali.
Alka. I'm expecting preparing poha.
Okay, sir. You can go.
My friends are, what happened? Yeah, got it. What is this? Develop at Salesforce. Welcome to Salesforce Verifier account. Okay. Now go down. What is this, guys? Verify account. What is the username just now I created? training@durga.com. Okay. Click on verify account. Here we need to enter your password, guys. Username only we created. Here we need to give what password? ABCD 1 2 3 4 I given. ABCD 1 2 3 4. So, which city you born? I born in Hyderabad. Click on change password. Now you successfully entered into what? Salesforce environment. You successfully created the account in Salesforce. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
How to create Salesforce account?
Yes.
Good. Now, what is the next one here? So before we all dive into Salesforce environment, you should know about all these important words: app, tab, S-object, field, data, and record. So let me discuss one by one. What is the meaning of an app? App is a word, it is not related to software. It's a general word. Every day we are using this word regularly in our daily life. Yes or no?
Yes.
Because
Yes.
once you
Yes,
open
sir.
your mobile, we can see a lot of apps.
Yes, sir.
Like food related apps like Zomato, Panda, Swiggy. These are all what? Different types of apps. Like we have something like Ghana.com, Spotify. These are all music related apps. Like education related apps like Byju's. Like once you open your mobiles, you can see a lot of apps. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, as per your perception, what is the meaning of an app?
Service provider.
Service provider. Oh, is it Airtel or Idea?
Sorry.
Is it Airtel or Idea? Huh?
So
Service.
it's giving some services to user.
Ah, very good. It gives some services. Very good answer. Very good answer, Alka. Good answer.
Thank you.
Okay. So here, just try to understand. I hope all of you know about Bookmeasure app. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Suppose I want to go to a movie. Maybe No Time to Die. What is the movie name?
No Time to Die.
So recently released James Bond movie. I want to go to this movie. No Time to Die. Now I book the ticket through Book My Show. If I want to book the ticket through Book My Show, everybody please look at the screen. Try to understand. This Book My Show application is going to provide all the list of cities or not. Speak out.
Yes,
The
yes.
moment we enter into Book My Show, it is going to show all the list of cities,
Yes.
cities information. Then after I selected one city like Hyderabad, then it is going to show the list of theaters or not. Speak out.
Yes, sir.
After that, and also it is showing what? List of movies.
Movies.
And also it is showing what? List of, what do you call? Movie timings. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
And also it is showing seats availability.
Yes.
Speak out.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. And also it is showing some food availability. Suppose while I'm watching the movie, I want to eat some food, snacks kind of thing. Hey, all of you,
Yes.
like popcorn or ice cream, whatever it is. Tell me here, if I open Book My Show application, it will show some information about what the cities. Showing the information about the cities, I can see it is one kind of service. Or no?
Yes.
Showing the information about the list of theaters, that is another kind of service. Showing the information about the movies, that is service number 3. Showing the information about the timings, that is service number 4. Showing the information about the seats availability, that is service number 5. Showing the information regarding food, that is service number
6.
and clear all of you.
Yes.
Okay. So this collection of services are included in where?
Apps. Application.
App. So can I say application is nothing but a group of services or not?
Yes. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Application means what? It is a
Group of services.
very good group of services or collection of what? Clear all of you? Good.
Yes.
So, but with respect to Salesforce, app can be defined as app is a group of what? What is this?
Apps.
Tabs.
Apps.
App.
Provides what is this?
Some functionality or different kind of functionalities.
Clear all of you. That is the definition of an app. In Salesforce, apps are divided into 2 types. That is standard app. The other one is what? Custom app. What is standard app and what is custom app? Standard app means which is given by what? Salesforce. It's a built-in one. Point clear?
Yes. Sir.
Built-in or predefined one. Custom app means which is created by
Durga.
which is created by whom here? Developer. That is what? Custom app. Point clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Examples of standard apps. Examples of standard apps like sales, service, marketing. They're all what? Standard apps. Custom apps means you can give any name, no problem. DURGASOFT. Private Limited. Clear all of you? Like any hospital or any hotel, any application. Because it is created by whom here? Developer. That is why he can give any name. Clear?
Yes.
Like that, how many types of apps we have in Salesforce? 2 types, standard apps and custom apps.
Customers.
All of you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Next one. What is this? Apps, S object, fields, data, and what? Record. Clear, all of you? Hello? Someone need to mute, guys. Some noise around you. Next, tab. What is the meaning of tab, guys? Tell me. Actually, in your keyboard, we have a tab button. If you press tab button, what will happen? I'm pressing tab. Control is moving from left to right or not?
Right, sir. Doing some performance.
Yes, sir.
No. Like that. Look at the screen here. What is this plus symbol? What is the plus symbol?
Open to new tab.
New tab. Right now, I'm in which application? Salesforce application. Yes or no? If I click on plus,
New tab.
I'm entering into Google page. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Before I was in
Salesforce.
Salesforce. Before I was in WhatsApp. Yes or no? Good. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Before I was in Zoom. Clear, all of you guys?
Yes.
Like that, if you click on plus symbol, it takes me to some other page or not?
Yes, sir.
Someone need to mute, guys. Excuse me. Someone need to mute. Sai Krishna. Sai Krishna. Damam. Yeah. So what is tab here? Tab means it connects to what? Some other. That is the general meaning of a tab. But with respect to Salesforce, using tab, we can connect with what? A subject. What is a subject? Down the line, I will discuss tomorrow. Okay.
Salesforce objects.
Yeah, Salesforce object. So there are 2 types of tabs. One is standard tabs. Second one is custom tabs. Standard tabs means given by
Salesforce.
Salesforce. Custom tab means created by
Develop.
as per the business requirement. Okay. So standard tabs and custom tabs. Okay. Let me give some examples of standard tabs. Campaigns, leads, accounts, contacts, opportunities. These are all the examples of what? Standard tabs. Custom tabs examples: employees, students, products, okay, doctors. These are all the examples of what? Custom tabs. Understand, everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So, as of now, we discussed about only 2 important words. That is what? App and tab. So tomorrow class, I'm going to stop the class now. I don't want to continue. So tomorrow class, we will discuss about what? What is a subject, what is field, what is data, and what is record. Clear, all of you? Hello?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Understand
Sir,
the point?
where we pay for this course? What is the payment mode of?
Here you go. This is the information I already pasted on the screen.
No, sir, I was late. So
Okay.
Sir, DURGASOFT also sent the follow-up mail who have attended the daily classes. Everyone must have the mail.
Yeah. See guys, the Google Pay number.
Yes, sir.
You have Google Pay?
Yes, sir.
This is the number 9297972727.
Okay.
Okay. Or
Yeah.
this is the number, the IFC code. Okay, guys. Everyone understand the today's class?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow same time at 10 o'clock, guys, we will continue with what? A subject. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Happy weekend. Sorry. Happy Diwali, all of you. Once again.
Happy Diwali, sir.
Happy Diwali, sir.
Happy Diwali, sir. Happy
Be
Diwali,
careful,
sir.
all of you. Understand? Be careful.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So
Yes,
come
sir.
up tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I hope all of you understand today's session.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.